In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80240031. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the SFC scan to repair the corrupted system files. How we can do that? I want you to proceed to your button search bar here at the taskbar. Type for CMD. Once you have typed it, wait until you can see a basmod, which is the command prompt system. Please click on Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Type for SFC space / scan now. Click on the enter key. This will do system scanning and this will help you to fix the problem. This process will take some time, maybe 5 minutes or more than that. It will depend on your computer. And once you have completed this one, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, that is to reset the Windows Update components. So I want you to copy the code that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, okay, I want you to delete this one. Then please click on File and click on Save As. And then from here, I want you to type for Fix Update. Then click on the desktop here as your location, then add for an extension for .bat. Once done, click on saved, and then you can now close this window. Proceed to the fix update.bat file that you have created, make a right click and run it as an administrator. Once you've clicked on it, you need to restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. So complete the procedure first and then restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.